Okay, more goes off. Kind of cool. They replaced this whole center bolt nut on the intake gear with a different style. And here's the pump. There we go. Lost a little focus there. Here's the pump. And this little guy right here drives this, okay? And it actually fits in here like that. And that drives that. Interesting design. I always wondered how it worked. Good to see it. All right, so we got the Morgo pump out. We're going to pull these timing gears off the camshafts and off the crank, which is an adventure, and it takes a special tool of which I happen to own. So far so good.